As EOFY approaches, many organizations find they still have professional development funds to allocate.
Discover Your Strengths is a practical, strengths-based workshop that helps your people understand their top 5 strengths and recognize where they do their best work.
Here's what a typical EOFY half-day DYS workshop can look like. Strengths basics, what strengths are and why they matter. Your top 5, what each person's strengths mean in practice. Real-life application, linking strengths to work, goals and challenges. Team sharing, learning each other's strengths to improve collaboration. Action plan, choose one focused strength and set daily actions. We tailor examples to your setting: community services, volunteer programs, operations, customer teams, leadership, etc.
EOFY is nearly here. If you're planning to spend your remaining team budget before 30 June, this is the final call.